everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. We're back and let me show you a fun, simple recipe for macaroni salad, only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Fox Hallow Fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Well, as I said top of the show, we're back and I got a fun simple recipe for you today. Let me show you how to make macaroni salad perfect for your Memorial Day weekend or any sort of picnic that you may have coming up this summer. It's simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright guys, to start off our macaroni salad, what I have here is my big old trusty pan here. I'm going to set the oven to high heat, add a little bit of salt. There we go. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. Okay, it looks like our water is boiling pretty good here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take a box of macaroni here and dump it into our water here. Stirring it occasionally and letting it boil off here for about 8 minutes. Sound good, Dave?
Yep, sounds great.
Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, it's been 8 minutes here, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is shut my heat off. And then we're going to drain these and run these over cold water here and let the pasta cool down here. And then we're going to go ahead and make up our dressing for our macaroni salad. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, while our macaroni is cooling, let's go ahead and make our dressing for our macaroni salad. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with half a cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
Wasn't expecting that to come out that quick, but
There you go.
To that I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Now Dave, what is it about apple cider vinegar that just does something?
Instead of being just sour, it does have flavor to it, so I like to use it when I can.
Okay, then we're going to need a tablespoon of sugar.
Okay.
A quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper.
Okay.
We're just going to whisk this together here quick. How do you think we're looking here, Dave?
Looking real good.
And then, little by little, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of milk.
Okay.
Just to get it almost, kind of remind me of what, ranch dressing?
Yeah, like a thin ranch dressing. It looks really good so far.
Yes.
Add a little bit more. There you go. That's probably enough. You can always add more later if you need it.
Yes.
For more mayo. You can add more of anything to this. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to set this aside and then we'll move on. Alright guys, next up I'm going to go ahead and chop up some celery here. I have about 1 stalk here. You're basically going to need a half cup of chopped celery. It just kind of more or less just kind of depends on how big your celery is whenever you get it. Don't have to be necessarily pretty with this, I wouldn't think, right, Dave?
No, it just has to be chopped up pretty fine. You don't want big chunks of it, but...
Well, some people, it's all depending on preference.
It's just a matter of taste, really. Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this up, and then we're going to move on to some more vegetables. Now that I've got my celery cut up here, I'm going to go ahead and move on to some green onions. I'm going to go ahead and take the hair off here and just kind of dice everything down here. Now you guys know at home, I'm a bit of a bull in a china shop with stuff, so do not judge me on my knife skills. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and then we'll go ahead and move on. Alright guys, I have some pickles here, sweet gherkins to actually be exact here. I'm going to go ahead and just dice these up here. You're going to need about half a cup. As I said, you don't have to be necessarily too intricate with this. I wouldn't think, right?
No.
And this is definitely a fun picnic food, especially with it being Memorial Day weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and then we'll move on.
Okay.
And lastly guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut up some roasted red peppers. I have some pimentos here that we've used here for another meal we've made here at the house. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut these down into small pieces. Maybe once I get the out of the jar here. You know, like I said, you don't have to be necessarily particular. I mean, you can be, but you know. Let's kind of get these down in a little smaller chunks, so. I think that looks pretty good there, Dave. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright.
Little pieces, that's all.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bowl and then we'll get ready to move on. Alright, now comes the fun part. Let's go ahead and mix everything together. We got our macaroni in a big bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the dressing we made earlier. Definitely very creamy. A little different than I think what you would expect from most macaroni salads. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, I think it's great. It's very tasty.
Yeah, I mean, you got to sample a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we're going to add our celery from earlier.
Okay.
To that, we're going to add our pickles. Our green onion. And then our pimentos. And we're just going to mix this together here until it's good and combined.
Okay.
If you need to, don't hesitate to add a little more dressing. It's just all about personal preference. But I think we're hitting all the right notes with this.
Looks good.
And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator here for 2 hours, or you can keep it in overnight.
Okay.
Now it's time for my favorite part of the taste test, so let's see how I did here. Simple, tasty, and very, very good. You guys gotta love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times, good food, only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.
wait, don't go guys, we got one more surprise to tell you guys about.
One more.
You want to give them the announcement?
Yeah, we raised over $200 for the American Cancer Society with these lovely pink shirts.
Limited edition. All the proceeds are going to American Cancer Society, and we would just want to take a minute to thank you guys who purchased these shirts. Without you guys' love and support, we wouldn't be able to donate to this charity near and dear to both of us. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of our heart. You got anything else to say?
Just good times and good food.
Only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. So we'll see y'all soon.